7 Secrets of the Mediterranean Diet to Live Longer and Healthier. Imagine sitting at a sunlit table overlooking the sparkling blue Mediterranean Sea. The air is filled with the scent of olive oil drizzling over fresh, vibrant vegetables, and the sound of laughter echoes as loved ones gather around. It's not just a meal, it's a way of life. What if I told you this simple yet joyful way of eating could transform your health, extend your life, and make every bite more meaningful? The Mediterranean diet isn't a fad or a quick fix. It's a lifestyle backed by science. Studies show it lowers your risk of heart disease, boosts brain health, and even helps you live longer. But here's the catch. It's not about restrictions or complicated rules. It's about embracing delicious, wholesome ingredients, enjoying meals with those you love, and savoring every moment. In today's video, I'll reveal 7 powerful secrets of the Mediterranean diet that go beyond just eating. These are the keys to a healthier, happier you, ready to discover how this ancient lifestyle can unlock a future filled with vitality, joy, and balance. Let's dive in. What is the Mediterranean diet? Originating from countries like Greece, Italy, and Spain, the Mediterranean diet reflects how people in these regions lived in the mid-20th century, a time when they had some of the lowest rates of chronic diseases in the world. It's no wonder this diet has been crowned the #1 best diet by US News and World Report for 6 consecutive years. Research shows it can reduce your risk of heart disease by up to 30%, lower your chances of developing dementia, and even add years to your life. At its heart, the Mediterranean diet prioritizes plant-based foods, colorful vegetables, juicy fruits, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. It's enriched with the golden elixir of olive oil, often paired with fresh herbs and lean proteins like fish and poultry. Dairy is consumed in moderation, red meat is rare, and refined sugars are almost non-existent. Even red wine has its place here, but always in moderation. Backed by decades of research, this diet isn't just about living longer, it's about living better, delicious, sustainable, and joyful. It's a lifestyle worth savoring. Secret 1, the power of healthy fats. Healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats from olive oil, nuts, seeds, and omega-3 fatty acids from fish, are a secret weapon for long-term health. Why are these fats so powerful? Unlike trans fats or saturated fats that clog arteries and harm your heart, healthy fats are like a balm for your body. Studies show they reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and boost good cholesterol, HDL. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and sardines are linked to improved brain health, reducing the risk of depression, and even delaying cognitive decline as we age. Beyond the science, there's something deeply satisfying about these fats. They make meals feel luxurious, keep you full longer, and add an unbeatable depth of flavor. Whether it's a handful of crunchy almonds or a piece of grilled mackerel drizzled with olive oil and lemon, these fats invite you to savor every bite. Secret 2, packed with antioxidants. What if you could eat your way to a longer, healthier life while savoring every bite? That's the power of antioxidants, and they're at the heart of the Mediterranean diet. Picture this: ripe tomatoes, juicy berries, leafy greens, foods that not only fill you up, but also fuel your body with protection from the inside out. Antioxidants act like your body's personal defense team, battling harmful free radicals that cause aging, inflammation, and chronic diseases. Free radicals can damage your cells, leading to health problems like heart disease, cancer, and even Alzheimer's. But when you incorporate antioxidant-rich foods into your meals, like the vibrant fruits and vegetables found in the Mediterranean, you're actively lowering the risk of these conditions. In fact, studies have shown that diets rich in antioxidants can reduce the risk of heart disease by 30% and help fight off cancer by neutralizing oxidative stress. Secret 3, whole grains over refined carbs. Unlike refined carbs, which cause blood sugar spikes and energy crashes, whole grains are a steady source of fuel that keeps you energized throughout the day. Think quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread, simple foods that pack a punch for your health. Whole grains are rich in fiber, which helps regulate digestion, control blood sugar, and support a healthy heart. In fact, studies show that people who eat more whole grains have a 25% lower risk of heart disease. Unlike refined carbs found in processed foods, which can lead to weight gain and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, whole grains help you feel full longer and maintain a healthy weight. When you switch from refined carbs to whole grains, you're making a choice to support your body's long-term health. It's not just about what you eat, it's about how you feel. Whole grains are the foundation of a healthier, more vibrant life. Secret 4, a focus on fresh and local. What if the secret to vibrant health could be found just outside your door? The Mediterranean diet thrives on fresh, locally sourced ingredients, and it's one of the most powerful habits you can adopt for better health and happiness. Fresh, seasonal produce is packed with more nutrients, flavor, and life, helping you feel energized, satisfied, and connected to your food like never before. Eating local means you're consuming foods at their peak, when they're packed with the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body craves. Studies show that eating fresh, seasonal produce is linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases, from heart disease to cancer. Plus, it's often more sustainable, reducing your carbon footprint and supporting local farmers. When you buy locally, you're not just nourishing your body, you're investing in your community and the environment. Beyond the nutritional benefits, there's something deeply satisfying about eating fresh, local ingredients. The colors, the smells, the textures, they bring joy to every meal. In the Mediterranean, food is a celebration of life. Secret 5, reducing red meat and processed foods. Red meat and processed foods are often packed with unhealthy fats, artificial additives, and excessive sodium, ingredients that weigh us down and cause long-term damage to our hearts, minds, and overall well-being. But when you make the shift toward healthier options like fish, legumes, and plant-based proteins, you're fueling your body with the nutrients it craves to thrive. Studies show that those who eat less red meat and processed foods have up to a 20% lower risk of heart disease and experience better blood sugar control. On the other hand, plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and fish are rich in fiber, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that support your body's natural processes. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes just that: lean proteins and plant-based options that nourish your body without weighing you down. By reducing red meat and processed foods, you're making a choice to lower your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. Secret 6, wine, but in moderation. Research shows that moderate wine consumption, especially red wine, can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. The antioxidants found in red wine, like resveratrol, help protect your blood vessels and reduce inflammation, promoting better circulation and heart health. But the key is moderation, around 1 glass a day for women and 2 for men. Drinking in excess, however, can negate these benefits and even lead to serious health risks. So why not raise a glass to good health? In the Mediterranean, wine is a symbol of balance, a way to slow down, connect with loved ones, and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. By embracing wine in moderation, you're not just treating yourself to something delicious. You're nourishing your body and soul. Cheers to a longer, healthier life. Secret 7. Meals are a social experience. Research has shown that sharing meals with others can actually improve your mental and emotional health. The social connections we build over food reduce stress, foster happiness, and even lower the risk of depression. In the Mediterranean, meals are a time to slow down, savor every bite, and truly be present with loved ones. It's not about rushing through a meal, but about enjoying the moment and creating lasting memories. When we eat together, we are more mindful, more connected, and more likely to make healthier choices. The act of sharing food encourages portion control and helps us enjoy the experience without overeating. Slow down, embrace the joy of shared meals, and feel the warmth and connection that only good food and good company can provide. It's not just what you eat, it's how you eat. How to start today. Starting today doesn't mean overhauling your entire lifestyle in one go. Small changes can lead to remarkable results. Begin by replacing butter with olive oil. This simple switch not only adds flavor, but is a powerful tool for heart health. Add veggies to every meal, whether it's a handful of spinach in your morning omelet or a colorful salad at lunch. Even adding a few extra servings of greens each week can reduce your risk of chronic diseases. And when it comes to carbs, swap refined grains like white bread and pasta for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. These changes stabilize your blood sugar and keep you energized throughout the day. Remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Take it step by step, and before you know it, these small changes will become a natural part of your routine. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body with the best that nature has to offer. These tiny adjustments can make a world of difference for your long-term health. So are you ready to live longer, healthier, and happier? Join the journey and subscribe for more tips to transform your eating habits and life. Let's take that first step together for a future filled with health, flavor, and joy. Don't wait. Your healthier self is just one meal away.